need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes.
I done what I had to do. This gonna be my new little back thing to talk to y'all. So as you guys know that I just got done. It is 10 o'clock right now on a dot, seriously. Okay, well let me explain to you guys what's going on today. So today I am going to this program. It's called a Upward Bound. It's a summer program that I'm in. So basically we just go visit colleges and stuff, and we take like classes during the summer. It's Monday through Friday, and it's been going on for a few weeks, more than a few weeks, but since, you know, the summer started and stuff. And I really love the program. So if you guys have this at your school, make sure you guys get involved. But yeah, y'all, so back on track. I'm gonna go to the program. The program is from 9 to 3, but I never make it on time. So yeah, my dad would be coming to me at 10:30. Yeah. So yeah, so it's from 9 to 3. I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna bring all my little stuff. Then after that, me and my friend, we're gonna head to Chipotle after that. And I love me some good old Chipotle. That's one thing about it. You can't go wrong with Chipotle. If you don't like Chipotle, then go somewhere. Just go somewhere. So y'all gonna be with me through that. And then after that, I'm supposed to be going to a fish fry with my nana, because my nana is in town. So you guys are gonna meet her. And yeah, I'm doing very much right now. I'm gonna let my camera battery charge because it is on 57. Strange. And yes, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm on the way to the program or when I'm at the program. So I'm gonna talk to you in just a little bit. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm on the way. Dad, say hey.
Yes.
Dad, say hey to my vlog. Daddy, say hey to my vlog.
Hey vlog.
Y'all, I don't know why my dad be acting like he don't want to talk to y'all. As y'all see, he do this a lot every single time, right, Dad? You do this every time? Yeah. But yeah, y'all, I'm on the way right now. Like I said, it's 10:25, so he was on time. Well, earlier than what I said. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys when I am there. Bye. Hi y'all, so we just got out the classes and we're about to go. We're gonna go to lunch right now. Look at my girls. Hey guys. Yeah. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm just doing a little check-in real quick. I came here, we got on our second block, and then we came to lunch where I am now. We got 30 minutes of lunch, and then after that we go to our cooking class, and after that we're gonna head to Chipotle. But yeah, I'm just checking with you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys in just a little bit. Okay, y'all, so we just got done eating. Oh, this is too bright. Yeah, okay, so we just got done eating this stuff, and I took some pictures and stuff. We finna go take our take our cooking class and stuff. But yeah, y'all, see, we making tacos inside the cooking class, and I think it's gonna be very, very fun. Y'all guys go see it, of course. But yeah, we about to get ready to walk to it now.
Much later.
Emma is cutting up the cabbage. Yes. These are tortillas, avocado, pepper, lime, and then she is ripping apart the cilantro. And TG is heating up the pan over there. But some of them got turkey. That's ground turkey instead of ground meat. Okay, Janae, we gotta find you a job.
You really need that.
Okay. Ooh, it's giving wifey. She knows what's going on in the kitchen. Okay, my girl's struggling a little bit, but don't worry about it. She's not one of them. We're gonna make it out.
Yeah. Hey. Okay, hey y'all. So right now, I'm mixing off limes, and I gotta y'all. So I'm a little slow. I thought you just put it in here. No,
We don't need quite that much.
Lemons. Here.
Alright, y'all. So
She's so slow, cause no way she
put it in there like this.
and they just.
Alright, y'all. And here go the cup. Oh yeah, that's tough.
Is y'all pouring this much of y'all lemon juice in?
It's lime.
I mean lime juice. Are y'all pouring all this lime juice in y'all cut for $1 million? A cut, like a big cut. No, not even $1 million. That's too easy. That's easy. Everybody gonna do that. 500. You doing that for 500? That's a new camera for 500. That's a new camera.
I'm doing it.
You doing it?
I'm doing it. Wait. Yeah.
So alone, no one. Should I move on since no one's here? You know.
Okay, guys, we're back and hold on. Let me get some more lime.
Hey, I'm here with my taco.
You have no sauce on it.
It's gonna go on top too.
Oh,
Yo, she over there checking people. Like,
okay. So this is how mine look, guys. I don't know if it's gonna focus.
she got a nice fish taco. Hold on, I got you. Y'all see that fish taco?
This is hold on. Let me hold it just so we don't fall on your camera. So this is my fish taco.
Other way.
Looks like some stuff off the movies. It look good. Mine's look good. I don't know about yours.
Y'all, I got a regular taco, but this is chicken.
Oh, this is mine. You can see it better now.
No, this is turkey.
Let's see yours. It looks scary.
Y'all, let me show y'all, because I already broke.
Can I have one?
Y'all can see the inside just a little bit right
You have
here.
a lime?
I put the regular stuff. I put,
How you feel about it?
I put cheese.
The fish one is nasty.
I put salsa, and I put sour cream.
Really?
He said try it. He said it's nasty. He said it's nasty. Oh, she got something.
Okay.
You ready?
I don't know, but mine's got avocado, cheese, sour cream, fish, and tomato. Okay, we gotta try it, okay? Alright, ready? 1, 2.
Is it like a regular taco? And it got spice to it with that salsa? This is good. How you like it?
I don't know. It's like... Oh yeah, no. The fish taste is like old. I'll eat that probably. So no for me. 0 out of 10.
I said yes. I give it a 7 though. I feel like it's missing something. But it's good.
Well, if somebody said pose out of a verse, I say pose out of a verse. If somebody said verse out of a pose right now, what would you do? I think mine's dead. Or like my go-to. No, her go-to is
It's always though.
See the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you both. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to bump.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna talk to you guys.
I was like, mail away.
Okay. Hey y'all, so we're leaving the cooking class. You okay? We're leaving the cooking class right now, and Jeanette's gonna take her picture.
Yo, twin.
Look at this. It's just so pretty.
Twin.
But yeah, y'all, so gonna take our pictures, and then after that, we're gonna get us over to Chipotle. And yeah. Hey y'all, so we waiting on an Uber right now, and y'all, let me tell y'all, I'm about to tear that off. I'm not playing. Tell them. Tell them.
The way I'm about to dog, the Chipotle workers about to be scared. They gonna be scared.
What?
Now when I go up there again and ask for seconds, they gonna put extra everything.
Oh, what?
I ain't even gonna ask.
What?
They gonna say yes, ma'am.
What?
Yes.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Right, I just be saying, but yeah, when I'm done. Oh no, I just feel a raindrop on my eye.
Really?
Yeah, okay, y'all. So I'm pretty sure about the rain, so we're gonna have to put this nice old camera up.
Gotta put the money up. What do you mean?
What?
Not even a camera. Gotta put the money up.
Wait. So I'm gonna talk to you guys as soon as we get there.
Okay, because why is this Uber 10 minutes away?
Okay. Hey y'all, so why did we just get to Chipotle? They talking about they online until 4:30, 5 o'clock. Why y'all online until 4:30, 5 o'clock? Yo, so we're walking to Chick-fil-A right now. It ain't nothing but across each other. I'm so freaking mad because y'all, I was gonna tear that up. When I say tear that up, I was gonna tear that up. Now we going to Chick-fil-A, and Chick-fil-A be too packed, yo. But yeah, y'all, my heart is broke, literally. Like, I have a broken heart right now. Yeah, so we just got our food. We had Chick-fil-A, like I said, sadly. Well, I told y'all that on my phone.
Don't say sadly.
Y'all,
I still mess with Chick-fil-A.
yeah, Chick-fil-A good, but I was in the mood for my Chipotle. I was ready. When I say ready, I mean ready. So, man,
That sandwich is so good.
y'all finna see what we got. Fries. What you get?
I got a spicy deluxe meal. Yeah, I got a spicy deluxe meal.
That's my OG meal. Well, not deluxe, but spicy. And I got a nuggets.
And
Really, yeah, they didn't give us what's it?
we better go ask for
Go
that.
get that.
Oh, but you bold enough to get that.
I don't play by my sauce. Hold on, I'll get it.
I was about to say full. That was full.
And I got my sausage. Okay,
So nasty. Polynesian sauce. She's talking about some get hip. It's good. What?
Polynesian is good, y'all. Look at my nuggets. It looks good.
I want to try one. I never had one.
For real?
I never had it.
Trip.
Trip. This that all-time type fat bun.
That's that root.
What's that? You see that? That's that. You can see it glisten. You can see it glisten as you touch the bun. No, this is perfect. This is a plate.
I mean,
Amen.
oh, popcorn chicken in here?
I think, yeah, it's giving popcorn chicken.
Never disappoint. Never disappoint.
I don't know. It's good.
Y'all, now she know that stuff was better than good.
I'm gonna talk to you guys in just a little bit because my camera battery is dying, so I'm gonna plug that up.
Hey y'all, so I just left Chick-fil-A. I was about to say Chipotle. I want a Chipotle so bad, but I just left Chick-fil-A. There go my dad. I told y'all was gonna see him again. Dad, say hey.
Yo.
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 Y'all. But yeah, I just left, and like I said, I had stuff to do after. So we about to go to a fish fry, like I said, with my nana. And yeah, y'all, Chick-fil-A, it did hit the spot. It was good, but I really wanted Chipotle. But yeah, I'm on our way home right now, and after that, we're gonna leave and we're gonna head out to Illinois.
Got fish fry.
You greedy. I'm not off her playing. Sometimes you got in the movie. Okay, hey y'all, so I left like not so long ago. Right now we're at my father's shop, and I didn't record it all because I mean, like, it was really like nothing to record. It was like, you know, but I did record everybody saying hi, so you guys will see that. Say bye. And then Vanessa. But yeah, we on the way to the house right now. I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get there, and then we're gonna wrap this vlog up. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So I am back home. I'm in my room. Okay, now let's for a ride. Okay, y'all. So I'm back home. I'm in my room. It is 7:58. Y'all, I've been gone all day. I'm so tired. My head hurting, everything. Hold on, I'm missing one more thing. Now I feel perfect. But I hope you guys enjoyed today. Seriously, I hope today was very eventful for y'all. It was eventful for me. I kind of regret not recording when I got to the fish fry, but I mean, y'all, it was really like nothing to really record. Wasn't really nothing going on, but I should have spoke to you guys, which I would really regret doing. But you guys did see everybody. I made sure everybody say hi and bye to you guys. So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all stay tuned for more, because I most definitely do have more coming anytime. So yeah, bye guys.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not